I will vote for probable cause. I'm quite certain a lot of members of the Justice Committee will vote for probable cause tomorrow. Sorry? I think it will be the same number of votes that we had seen in previous votings, no? Particularly on substance and form.
Because, how do you say so?
Sorry, can you repeat it?
How do you say so, sir? Bakit?
Well, very important ho yung pagdinig ko in the previous week, no? I was being asked if I see it as a smoking gun. Ang sabi ko ho kanina, hindi ho yan smoking gun. Nuclear bomb ho yan. Kasi 6.7 billion in total transactions, 4.4 billion in inflows, pumasok na pera sa mga bangko po ng mag-asawa, 1.5 billion na lumabas po sa bangko ng mag-asawa. Paano ho papaliwanag ng mga abogado, public official, may mga naluluging negosyo po ito? Ang tanong sa kanila, saan galing ang 4.4 billion? Saan napunta yung pong 1.5 billion? Paano nagkaroon ng scale of financial transactions na 6.7 billion?